I was gifted this personal portable blender and I absolutely love it. I love the idea behind this. I actually keep with a high protein diet, and one way I love to do that is by putting protein in smoothies. I find it very difficult to bring that to work. I find the smoothies separate and just get gross, and then I don't drink it and it's just a big waste. This totally changes that for me. As you could see, this is super easy to take around with you to the gym, to the office, even to like the beach, something like that, or a pool day. This really is super convenient. It's a really easy size to carry around, and what you're looking at right now is the base that you put everything in, and the blender's actually right here. So if I twist off, here's your blender blade, and here's the canister where you put all of your items in. You simply tip it over and the power button is right on the top here. This is also the charging port. It comes with a charging cord. It also comes with a lid, so when you're done using the blender portion, you can put on a drinkable lid, which makes it super convenient as well. It blends really, really well. I always put frozen strawberries, sometimes put some ice in here. It seriously blends it up, no problem. I really had my doubts, but it works amazing. Let's go ahead and test it out. So here I'm blending up some frozen strawberries and blueberries, Greek yogurt, protein powder, coconut water, and ice. Takes a little bit, but this is powerful and it really blends through those frozen strawberries, blueberries, and ice. So here's what it looks like when it's finished. And as you could see, every time I consistently have a well-blended smoothie on the go, which I absolutely love. Highly recommend.